Hi, this is Sudhir. This is C#.NET String Functions tutorial. String functions are used to manipulate the string content in a program. When we are writing a C#.NET program, if you want to use some text, we are going to place them in strings. Strings contains a text which is a combination of different characters, and if you want to manipulate them, you can use string functions. There are a lot of string functions available in C#.NET. Some of them which are very important are listed here. They are toUpper, toLower, remove, trim, replace and index of. Each string function has its own importance and it is going to give some own output. So toUpper and toLower. toUpper function is used to convert a string into uppercase and toLower function is used to convert a string into lowercase. If you have a string with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, and if you want to convert that entire string into uppercase, you can use this method called toUpper. And if you want to convert that string into lowercase, then you can use a method called toLower. Here is an example of how to convert it into lowercase and uppercase. I have a string which is called as str1. It contains a text called Sudhir, SUDHIR, in which SUIR is of lowercase and DH is of uppercase. Now in the second line of code you can see I have taken a new string called S4. In that I am converting the value inside string str1 to lowercase and I am going to place it into S4. str1.toLower is the method which is converting the text inside str1 to lowercase, and the output looks like this. It's all in lowercase. To print the text you can use console.writeLine of S4. The text inside S4 now is in lowercase letters and you can see the output looks like this. After that, you can also convert the text inside str1 into uppercase. Now in the same S4 variable, I am going to place the value of str1. Now it is converted into uppercase. S4 equal to str1.toUpper. toUpper is a method which is used to convert the text inside str1 variable into uppercase and it's going to place into S4. Now I use console.writeLine here to print the value inside S4 and the latest value is Sudhir with all the letters in caps. Now I'm going to show you the same demo in my Visual Studio. I'm going to use a console application in which I'm going to write some C# code to explain this toUpper and toLower methods. Here's my console application with a main method. In that I'm going to write a code. I'm going to take a string here. String str equal to, in the double quotes I'm going to have a string like this, SUDHIR. This is my string. In that you can see it's a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters. Now I have one more string. For example, I'm going to take it as lower. In this I want to place the text inside str, but I want to convert that into lowercase, so that I want all the letters to be lowercase. In that case I can use a method called toLower. Now the lower is a string which is going to contain all the lowercase letters. Console.writeLine of lower. This is going to give the output as Sudhir in this lowercase letters. Now I'm going to write console.read key here so that I can see the output till I press a key. So I'm going to execute the output. You can see the text inside lower string is printed. You can see all of the text is in lowercase letters. Now what I'll do is I'll take one more string called upper. In that I want to convert the text inside str variable to uppercase letters using toUpper method. It will convert the entire text inside str into uppercase. And I'm going to print that in output stream so that we can see the output. And the text of this will be SUDHIR. It's all in uppercase letters. Now the output contains two WriteLine methods. Because of this, two texts are printed. One is in lowercase and one is in uppercase. You can see one is lowercase and other is in uppercase. I'll go back to my slides. Next we have one more string function called remove. Remove function is used to remove a part of a string by giving the start index of the string and the number of characters to be removed. That means if you have a big string, inside that if you want to remove a part of a string, then you have to mention the start index from where you want to remove. All the characters inside a string are going to have indexes. The first character is going to be of index 0, the second is 1 and so on. So you have to mention the index from where you want to remove the string, and you have to give the number of characters to be removed. Here we have an example. I have a string str which is containing text called Sudhir, Sudhir, which has 6 characters. So in that, S index is 0, U is 1, D is 2 and so on. I want another string S3. In that I want to remove some part of the string str and I want to place the remaining part in S3. That means I can write the code here, str dot remove of 1, 3. 1 is the index from where I want to remove. That means I want to remove the text from U and I want to remove 3 characters because I have given a count 3 here. So U, D, H, 3 characters are removed. So SIR is the text, which is remaining text is placed in S3, and I use here console.writeLine to print the text. So here you can see in the comments, removing characters from index 1 and removing 3 characters, that is U, D, H are removed. U is having index 1, so from starting from U it is removed, and 3 characters U, D, H are removed. So the output is going to be SIR. So I'm going to show the demo of this. So I'm going to remove the existing code. So the text is going to be this. This is the original text. In that I want to remove UDH. So the output is going to be SIR, because I'm going to remove this part from the code. UDH I'm going to remove. So for this I'm going to take a string here, str equal to SUDHIR Sudhir. In that I want to remove a part of a string and I want to place it into another string called S4. str dot remove is the method which is going to have 2 parameters. One is the start index. The start index is going to be 1, that means it starts from U, and I want to remove I want to give the count here, the number of characters to delete. I want to delete 3 characters. So in S4 the content is going to be SIR, because in between U, D, H are removed. Now let's see the output of this. This will be the output printed on the output screen. You can see SIR is printed because U, D, H in between are removed. If you change the number like this, if you change the number to 4, in this output 4 characters are removed. That means U, D, H, I are removed. The output is going to be SR. You can see SR is the output because 4 characters we have removed. And also if you can also change this. If I change the start index to 2, it means 0, 1, 2. It starts from D and it's going to remove the rest of the part. That is 4 characters. The entire string is removed. SU will be printed on the output screen. Let's see the output for this. You can see it started from second index, that means from D, and it removed the remaining 4 characters. Only the first 2 characters are present on the output SU. So this is how remove works. Thank you.